7 most popular vacuums. I'm going to go every single one of them on the carpet to see how good they are on there. So we have the Dyson Outsize V11, V8, Samsung Jet 75 Plus, the Shark Red, Shark Blue, which is the Rocket, the Levoit cordless. And how this works is, this is all going to be run by different vacuums and they're going to be all on low setting to see how they do on the flour and on the oatmeal. So I'll start with the Levoit. This is going to be on the lowest setting when I turn it on. That is the flour. I don't see anything, so that's pretty good. Let's go on to the oatmeal. Also don't see anything, so that is pretty good. Look at that. So now I have the Shark Blue Rocket. So this has a carpet mode which spins the rollers faster. So I'm going to put it on that, but I'm not going to put it on max mode. Let's see how that works on the flour. Okay, basically everything gone. Same with the oatmeal maybe. Oh, I think I didn't go over that correctly. As you can see from the imprint on the carpet, I only went up to here, so these were not even touched. It was right outside of the area, and it kind of dropped a little bit of oatmeal when I was lifting it off, so not amazing, but still pretty good. Now let's see the Shark Red again on carpet mode. Okay, basically got everything on the carpet. Again, basically everything. Yeah, if we look closer, I don't really see anything, so it did pretty good job. So now for the Samsung, I'm gonna turn it on and put it on low. So let's go over the flour and see how that does. Very good, impressive. Let's see again with the oatmeal. Let's see how that does. Again, nothing there, very impressive. Even when I go closer, nothing inside. And now we have the Dyson V8. I'm gonna put it on low and see how that does. All right, pretty good on the carpet, no flour. A little bit of faint flour, I think. Let me see on the oatmeal. All right, very good. I don't see basically anything. So now we have the Dyson V11. Let me put it on low. And let's see how that does. Okay, I pushed up the flour a little bit. Let's see if it go all the way. And once again, basically nothing there, so impressive. And lastly, with the Dyson Outsize, I'm gonna go on the low mode and see how that does. All right, flour, basically nothing there. Let's go on the oatmeal. Nothing there once again. All right, very good. So after going through all the vacuums on low mode, it seems like only the Sharks were the ones that left a little bit behind. Every other vacuum did very well. So let's move on to the high mode. So now let's do it on the highest mode. I'll turn it on and then ramp it up twice, medium and now high. Let's see how this does. All right, pretty good with the flour. Yeah, pretty good. And now let's see with the oatmeal. It left a little bit. I think I didn't go past that spot. I think it didn't have enough. So I think I pushed the oatmeal out a little bit too far. So I think it only come up to here, the vacuum. So they didn't even get a chance to suck that up. Next, I have the Shark Blue. So I'm going to go on the carpet mode and also max. All right, pretty good. I don't see any flour. Let's go all the way up. Make sure I get everything this time. And as you can see, I got everything. Except the side right here. The side, it left a little tiny bit right there. Time for the Shark Red, carpet mode and on max. Flour did very well. Let's go all the way up there. Again, did well on the oatmeal as well. Now with the Samsung, gonna turn it on and go all the way to max. Quite the suction I can feel right now. Just barely able to push it, so nothing there. Let's see. Same thing with the oatmeal. Nothing there. So Samsung is very impressive. So now we have the V8. I'm going to put it on the max. And start it on with the flour here. All right, nothing there. That's very good sign. Same thing on the oatmeal. There you go. That's one little tiny speck of oatmeal, but that's about it. So now I have the V11 gonna go on to boost mode. Yep, boost mode. So let's go on the flour here, all the way up, all the way down, nothing there. Let's go back for the oatmeal. Oatmeal all the way up. Again, I left one little speck of oatmeal right there. Now lastly, Dyson Outsize with the boost and see how this do. All right. A little bit of flour, but that's because I haven't gone over that area yet. Let's go all the way up. All the way up past the oatmeal. And did leave a tiny speck of oatmeal, which is still not bad. So all in all, after testing every vacuum, I gotta say the Samsung is probably gonna be the king. It was high suction, even though it wasn't really, the motors wasn't as big as the Dyson Outsize. But again, the Dysons did very well. I think the Sharks did surprisingly well too, but on some categories, they did leave some oatmeal. So I would probably leave those to last. The Levoit did good as well. So it's up to the external features and like the quality of life to see which one is best for you.